guys, so in today's video I want to talk about all the fall slash winter accessory trends that you should be looking out for and the ones that I've been loving and have been investing in. So the first trend I want to talk about is the mix of silver and gold together, whether that be in purses like the Jacquemus La Pochette or Le Pochette purse that everyone has been dying over. I absolutely love that purse. I don't have Jacquemus money, but I still want to divulge into the trend of mixing silver and gold together, and I've been doing that from the summer, and I've been doing it with earrings. So if you guys can see, I have some earrings right now that are gold and silver, and I've been just mixing metals because I feel like it's different, it's unique. Everyone is gonna look at your ear, especially if they see gold and silver together. So the ones that are in my ear, and I have these, I'm gonna put them closer, and these are also silver and gold. I'll insert close-ups of these, but they are absolutely amazing. So if you want to invest into the trend, I would definitely suggest like things like earrings or a purse with silver and gold on it, or a necklace with silver and gold mixed metals. If you have Jacquemus money, get the Jacquemus Le Pochette. It's absolutely amazing. I love the look, and I feel like it's going to be timeless. I've definitely been getting out of buying trendy stuff, but I feel like the La Pochette is going to be timeless because it has both silver and gold, and you can wear it with anything basically because it's not a color, it's just mixed metals. So piggybacking off the mixed metals, the metal that is still trending is still silver. I think between Renaissance and the drop earrings, silver is definitely going to be trending all fall, winter, and I've been investing in accessories that are more silver. So first, these shoes right here, I got these from Akira, and I feel like these are just gonna make any outfit that I put on with them pop. Absolutely love them. I love the cut. I have white feet and I got these in a 11. I'm normally a 9 and I got these in an 11, and these are super comfortable. I love how this is cut. Another thing I have is this purse from Amazon. It was super affordable. I love that I can do it as a clutch or as a full-on crossbody. If you guys know anything about me, know that I love a good crossbody bag. I'm definitely not a clutch girl, maybe because I have kids and I need to make sure that I have everything in my purse that I need, but this is from Amazon. It's kind of like the Bottega purses, but for a more affordable price point. Also, the earrings, the drop earrings that have been trending on Amazon, I feel like if you want to buy into the trend, definitely get the dupes on Amazon. They're beautiful. They look just as good as the luxury designer version. I am definitely not buying into the trend because I feel like it's too trendy for me personally, and after fall winter they're not going to be as popular anymore, and I'm trying to build stuff in my wardrobe that are more timeless, and also building a capsule wardrobe, whether that be through my clothes but also my jewelry. So I'm not invested into trendy pieces as much as I used to. I'm investing in stuff that I love that are going to be timeless. Another pair of silver shoes I have are these, are from Ego. I got these on sale. I have a pair of shoes similar to this from Public Desire, and they're the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn in my life. They're black. I thank the heavens every time I bought those black heels because they are the best thing ever, okay? And when I seen these on Eagle, I got these in silver and gold, and I've been loving them. It just brings a pop to your outfit. And silver is trending, and I feel like a safe way to do silver is through your heels. I feel like you can't go wrong with silver heels. So since we're talking about heels, let's continue talking about heels. Slingback pumps are definitely in. I bought these like I think May this year, and these are from Fashion Nova. If I can still find them, I will link them. But I love the heel. I love the heel detail. I love that it was a black color, and I feel like slingback heels are going to be trending, especially since the Miu Miu red slingback heels, and also the Prada slingback heels. The Prada have like a more diverse colorway and also heel size, but slingback heels are definitely going to be in. I feel like if you want to test some slingback heels, I feel like you can try Fashion Nova, Zara, or Charles and Keith. I know that Charles and Keith have like a dupe to the Prada slingback heels, and it's very affordable and good quality. But I got these slingback ones from Fashion Nova, and I love them, and I've worn them multiple times since I bought them. I feel like slingback heels go with anything. They can go with skirt, they can go with jeans, shorts, whatever you feel like wearing slingback heels with. I feel like they're going to make your outfit look more put together, more clean, more classy, more feminine. Let's continue with the heels. So Gucci came out with this purple and blue fur heels that have been trending, and then Zara came out with one that was black and red. And when I saw the Zara one, I really wanted it, but it was sold out by the time I went to get it. And then I went on Akira and I saw these. So anything with fur or feathers are going to be trending for this fall and winter, and I just picked up a green one. They also have a black and white one on Akira, which I will link below, and it was absolutely amazing. Okay, I don't have any heels like this. I love that this is a bold statement pieces, and even though I'm building like a capsule wardrobe, I still want bold statement things, and I feel like the way to go is with shoes. You can't go wrong with shoes, and I'm definitely getting to more color, as you guys can see, because before I would never pick up green shoes. I would probably more pick up the black and white ones, but these spoke to me, and I love the detail. I don't know if you guys can see, it has some details on the straps. So fur / feather heels are definitely in for fall winter, so look out for that. The next trend I want to talk about for fall winter is red. So red is one of my favorite colors, and red is trending for fall and winter, whether that be in clothes or just accessories. And when I say your girl is living for this trend, she is living, because the amount of red accessories I have in my wardrobe, I have a lot. So this trend is going to be easy for me. I don't have to invest or buy anything because I have a lot of red stuff in my wardrobe already. So first thing first, my Telfar small red bag. Amazing. I feel like you can't go wrong with a Telfar. Amazing. My Brandon Blackwood bag. I have this in the cow hair red cheetah print gold accessory. I haven't worn this yet, and I'm so thirsty to wear this. But yeah, the Kendrick trunk. And Brandon Blackwood is also having a Black Friday sale, which they extended. So if you want to invest in another black owned brand, go with Brandon Blackwood. I have about 6 or 7 Brandon Blackwood bags at this point. Yeah, and this is going to be a statement piece, and I can't wait to wear it. Another piece I have is my dupe, RB Ruben Bolinsky. I don't know if I'm saying the name wrong, don't kill me in the comment section, but this is from AliExpress. This is not the real one. This is a dupe. This is red also, and I absolutely love it. I've worn it plenty of times. I'll insert pictures of me wearing it. And then certainly last but not least, these heels that I recently got. These are from Pretty Little Thing. They were $20 something, and I got them for a steal. I definitely went up a size because of the narrow front portion, and I have wider feet. But when I say I love these shoes, I absolutely love these shoes. I love the detail. It's absolutely amazing. I love the color, and who would have thought I love red so much and I didn't have a red pump or red heels like this in my collection. I had a mule, I have a red mule, but no heels like this, and I feel like this, I can't wait to wear it too. I'll definitely link this below. Absolutely amazing. It's kind of like a sling back heel, and it's also red. I have 2 of the trends for fall winter in one, but these are absolutely amazing. These kind of remind me of the red Miu Miu heels, except it's not the same. It's a little bit more edgier than the Miu Miu ones, but yeah. And then let's continue with purses. I have this purse from Guess. I bought this last year and I got it for a steal. I think I got it for like under $100, and I feel like this is a good like alternative to the Dior saddlebag if you're on a budget, and they have different colors, but I got it in this navy color, navy and gunmetal, and I'm glad I got it in this color because navy is definitely trending for fall and winter, and the best way to do it is like with a bag or with shades. So I got these shades from Amazon. This is my second pair. My first pair, and they were blue also, my kids broke them. So buying some glasses with some blue tint is a definite easy way to be a part of the trend without breaking the bank. Or you can add like a shirt that is navy blue. Navy blue is definitely in for fall and winter, and the way I'm going to incorporate that into my wardrobe is with this bag, and this bag is from Guess. And then last but certainly not least on the agenda is glasses, and I feel like sunglasses are not going anywhere for fall and winter, and I feel like the style that is going to be most popular is like your wraparound glasses. These are from Amazon. I have a few versions of these wraparound glasses. They look absolutely amazing. They're more sporty and chic. I'll definitely link them. They're about $14, but I feel like wraparound glasses are definitely going to be in, whether it be glasses like this or glasses with a lighter lens. I have one with some yellow lens, and I feel like those are great for indoor or if you don't want to take your glasses off. And then another trend I feel like is going to be, but I didn't even see that the mirror on the lens on my glasses are cracked. Oh wow. But another trend that I feel like is going to be prevalent for fall winter is shield glasses. So it's like shield glasses, big oversized glasses like these. Let me take it off because my damn mirrors are cracked. And I haven't even worn these that much. When wore Oh, my damn mirror cracked. Now I'm kind of upset. But more shield glasses and more wraparound glasses are going to be in for fall and winter. And a honorable mention I like to mention are the Tom Ford glasses, the the biker oversized glasses. I invested in one and I absolutely love it, and I feel like now is the best time to get glasses because they're on insane deal, especially if you want designer glasses. They're on an insane deal, especially on Nordstrom Rack or Saks off Fifth. That's where I got mine, and I got it for I think it was like $600 and I got it for $150. So in my mind I got a steal. But I invested in a Tom Ford glasses and I absolutely love it, and I feel like I'm gonna invest in more glasses, seeing that it's winter and glasses are more spring summer stuff. So if you buy them off season, you are going to be in luck because you're gonna get a bang for your buck. So with that being said, wrap up my fall winter trends. Those are the trends that I will be partaking in, and you guys can see some of the stuff that I've been buying for my wardrobe. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. What trend did you love the most? What trend do you think you're going to buy into? And what was your favorite fall winter trending piece? With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.